Hello, I want to present today the food waste composting possibility, local on site. It calls local on site. So I just want to show now the kitchen, which is everybody is making the food in the kitchen, especially the women's likes that. And the main thing is that the waste, the organic waste, where it goes. So I want to show you now the way where it goes. So please look, I already create some food waste. As you see, it's raw salad and some leftover which is not useful anymore. And usually it goes to the regular waste bin, like usually we have it under the sink, but we will come back later to this project. And now I want to show you how it can be possible to treat the waste where it's created. So as you see, this is everybody is making the food and some things which is eatable, and this is my fridge also, and it's also full of the food waste. Not food waste, but the food, and usually it's kind of over the date. So I need to check sometimes, like if it's something over the date. Just let me see. Okay, I see this yogurt is already, the date was 6th of, today is 17th of July, and the yogurt, the over date is 1 month ago, so I didn't eat that. So so the main thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw this one also to the organic small machine, which you will see later on. Yeah. Oi. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the things, and also I'm gonna look something else what is in rotten here and not useful. Yeah. So the onion is fine. Here is fine. The rest it's okay. So the rest can be useful. Oh, I have some tomatoes which is left over, is already. I will not eat it. So waste. Yeah, onion. Waste. Okay, so that's it. So now we're gonna go to our machine, which is standing in the bathroom. Yeah, so this is the small little one machine, which takes about 5 kilos per day of food waste, up to 5 kilos per day. You can put less, but not more than 5 kilos. So this is the main thing. And it's very easy to operate. I will just put it here and just make it, because it's, yeah. So I will put now the waste. Wait. Just open the lid and you throw the waste, as you see now here. No problem for that. As you see, it's empty, and you just close the lid, and the machine is operating. So it's very easy to use this small unit, which is doing the composting on site without any turning and without any smell. and without any pollution to the nature. This is very important. Because the process is aerobic, so it's the environmentally friendly process. All the smell, it goes to out through the pipe, and it goes to the sewage, to the cloaca system, and it's zero smell at all. So now I want to show you what all the organic waste is going to this machine. So after 24 hours I will get the compost, which can be used like soil amendment for the nutrition, for this so it can be useful for the farmers, and some kind of, also if you like, you can use it in your garden if you have it, of course. But if you not have it, so you can give it to your neighbors or somewhere else, and maybe to plant your flowers. So this is the machine which can be the organic waste. The organic waste can be the problem, can be solved out. So now I want to show where is my rest of waste goes, like plastic and glass and some other stuff. So this is my bin, without how it looks without organic waste. So I want to present now and what is inside, and we already have in Lithuania a system, which we have sorting system outside in our in the main street where all the people is throwing the waste. We have sorting for the glass system, and we have sorting for the paper system, and we also have sorting for the plastic system. So all these materials goes to already existing system. So now I want to show how it looks, the bin without organic. So this is the glass. This is the milk package, which can be also recycled like in the paper. And it's also plastic, as you see. Plastic, as you see, and also glass, and also plastic, and also some napkins, which can be also throw it together with the paper, and also plastic, and the paper. So this is the things what's left in my garbage box. So if everybody will start do the same organic waste throwing out from the main system, from the main garbage box, it will be very good for the environment, and everybody will be happy. Thank you for the video. Thanks, bye.